Here we go. Box number 9 of Limited 4. Simonelli. Yeah, you can't leave it. I mean, you just can't. You won't sleep tonight. Not a net card. I think there's an autograph in here. This baby's thin. Thin. I think there's some autograph coming here. Yeah. You'll be happy. You'll be good. You'll like this one. All right, number 9. Well, you'll like it here. PC. Chris Kreider. Limited Duels. Number 99. There you go. Trophy winners for the Penguins. Number 199. Ron Francis. For the Bruins, Milan Lucic. Oh, you got a solid box too. Milan Lucic for the Bruins, $2.99. Cup winners autograph, number 99, Dustin Brown, El Captain. Dustin Brown Cup winners autograph, number 99. Number 25 of 25, gold, Al Montoya. Number 99, Jonas Enroth, jersey. And very solid box. Number 41 of 49, jumbo jersey autograph, Matt Reed. 41 of 49, jumbo jersey auto, Matt Reed. So Simonelli, nice.